everyone, this is Anya Chaudhary of class 10D, hereby to propose my views on the topic snake bite protection and prevention. So, just imagine yourself waking up in the morning and finding a beautiful vibrant snake wrapped around your leg, staring at you and perhaps offering you a good morning. What would you do? Some of you would try to run and some of you would try to be brave and use some violent measures, which is not good. And this would either lead to death of the snake or some serious injuries to you or the snake. Thus, both of the things will create a problem rather than solving it. The problem is most of the people don't know how to deal with a snake, which is also a justifiable reason why you can't handle a snake. That is why the question here arises is, what should we do when we see a snake? So, you should get away as soon as possible, but while making less movement or minimum movement and making minimum ones. Okay? In this situation or in encountering with a snake, what is important is staying calm. Not only with snake encounter or with just any animal encounter, you must stay calm because this gives them a signal that you are harmless. No animal would, or especially no snake would ever try to hurt you until they find you harmful. Okay? And don't use or don't believe on the Indian myths that are about snake and try to avoid them. First, how would you identify that a snake has bitten you or someone? Snake bite shows some symptoms like blood clotting, redness of the skin area, local swelling, blistering, pain in that area, skin discoloration. It would lead to some sensation, numbness, and a passage of dark brown urine. Now, what after that? If there is any ring, watch, or any tight clothes, let it be any tight dress, just get them off and don't believe or don't use those non-scientific methods proposed by the traditional myths, like most of the people say that you should rub any metal over the wound or you should use some tight clothes or use a warm bandage. And yes, one of the most stupid and my personal favorite, what Bollywood has given us, that you must suck the venom and spit it out. It's the most stupid one and you must never do none of these. After snake bites, use anti-snake venom instead. Take the person to any health facility as soon as possible, any PHC or CHC, call on 102 or 108. These things will indeed help in saving the person's life. In the end, I'd like to sum up with some words. If you think that a snake means terror and venom, then don't. Because 70 to 80% of the snakes are non-venomous. People think that they are dangerous and will harm them, but you must consider the fact that they are too important for our environment. And after spotting a snake, you must call a rescue team, and in the end, life is important. Doesn't matter if it's yours or anyone else. Thank you and have a nice day.